Number 3, bundle 10, module 2. Okay, a linear graph is given to us. The graph shows the linear relationship between x and y, which table gives 3 values of x and y, their corresponding values of y for this relationship. Now again, as I said, whenever these are MCQs, go with the options first, check them. A, B, C, D, all options have the same input 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so that means we have to check the values of the graph at 0, 1 and 2. Now if I check this graph, this y-intercept is -5. So 0 and 0, it's deleted, right? This is deleted. This is deleted. Okay, 0 and -5, so options is from C or D. Now let's go back to the graph and check when x is 1, what is the value of y? So when x is 1, the value of y is -3, this one, right? That means 1 and -3 is our right option. D is the right option. Now if you want to do the whole question, so in every option you have to check the corresponding value of y when x is 0, 1 and 2. So you can write the coordinates here. When x is 0, 1 and 2, check from the graph. When x is 0, y is -5. And when x is 1, y is -3. And when x is 2, y is -1. Right? So the coordinates are 0, -5, 1 and -3, 2 and -5. Let's go to the graph. So yes, D is the right option. Your way, how you are comfortable with. Okay. Question 4. What is the perimeter in inches of a rectangle with a length of 4 inches and width of 9 inches? See what the perimeter is. Perimeter is actually boundary of whatever figure you are taking. So here it's a rectangle. If I draw a rectangle like this, right? This is a rectangle when opposite sides are equal, but all the sides are not equal. So that is rectangle. And length of it's 4 and width is 9. So that means this will also be 4 and this will also be 9, right? When you are doing the perimeter, that means you are doing 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. So 18 plus 4 plus 4, 22 plus 4, 26. So I have done the whole calculations because I just want to tell you, but you can do it orally in your head and click the answer, right? Okay. Question number 5. The given equations relate the positive numbers m, n and p, m, n and p. Which equation correctly gives m in terms of m and p? So when it says m in terms of n, m and n and p, that means you have to keep n at the left hand side and n and p on the right hand side. Now we know what is to be done. So let's start our work from that. For that, it's already here. M is on one side and n and p are on the other side. But because we have to do m only, so that means this 7 is not needed here, right? So we will divide 7 by 7 on both sides. By 7. So this 7 is, this 7 is cancelled and we are left with m is equal to 2 n plus p by 7. So A is the right option. Now what this question is checking, because it's saying write m, n and p, the 7 is deleted, right, which is not correct according to the given equation. Now whatever is multiplied, if you want to delete that, you have to divide it by that number and it is subtracting, so it's also not working, and this one is definitely not true. So A is the right option. Okay.